Debs here with RealAgriculture.com. I'm here today at Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa, and I have here with me Eric Broadbent, who is the Senior Director of Sales at Kinze. How's it going today?
It's going wonderful. It's a long time since we've been in Boone.
Yeah.
Nice to be back.
Absolutely, and the sun is certainly nice and hot today, so it's always a good time at the show.
Well, we got the warmth from the sun, but we also got a little breeze here helping us out. We had that yesterday as well, so it's a really nice day for a farm show.
Sounds like Iowa wants us here then.
Indeed it does.
So we're here today to talk about some of the updates you guys have at Kinze. Do you want to kind of walk me through what you're showcasing?
Yeah, so behind me here is a 3665 True Speed planter. So you'll notice that it's got bulk fill attached on it. And what is True Speed? So True Speed is our entry into the high-speed planting, but it's more than just high speed. It's also precision accuracy, and that's really what we're talking about with True Speed planter is accuracy. So it's accuracy at any speed. So we can go from 3 to 12 miles an hour in the field planting, and we've got pinpoint accuracy. The folks that have been in this technology for the last few spring planting seasons have been very impressed with the stand. We hear all the time how this is the best stand I've had in 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, best stand I've ever seen. That kind of activity and that kind of result is what it's all about for us, and that's what drives us forward. The True Speed planter that you see behind me, it's also got True Depth. So when you order True Speed, you get True Depth, and True Depth is our hydraulic downforce. And what that does is at those speeds, 3 to 12, whatever the conditions are for that soil, we keep the row unit in contact all the time with hydraulic down. So that's a really important piece of going faster and obtaining that accuracy.
So what sort of market was the True Speed made for? What producer was in mind?
Well, really anybody. The simplicity of the design of this really can take someone out of a finger meter and put them right into this technology. So it's electric drive, but not with the intimidation factor that you might find with some of the other products. You know, any color tractor can pull this planter. That's one of the great features about it. So one of the other things is it's all self-contained. So we don't really rely on a tractor for much more than just pulling us through the field, raise, lower, and markers. Other than that, this planter is fully self-contained with hydraulics, etc. So it really is a great piece. No intimidation. Anybody can jump in and go with our Blue Vantage user interface, and that's really nice. That's taken a lot of our customers and a lot of other customers from technology that is really finger pickup, ground contact drive, and catapulted them into an electric drive planter.
Speaking of the tractor that's pulling it, what are the horsepower requirements?
So we're looking, you know, it depends on what kind of conditions you're operating in and how fast you want to go too. But I would say starting out, you're looking at 10 horse a row.
And what's the capacity in it?
The bushel capacity. So on our large 49 and 4705s, you're looking at 120. Then we go down to 110, and then we go down to 85 bushel on the smaller planters.
And MSRP on this?
So this planter behind me is going to be in that 240, 250 range at full list price. The way that it is equipped, now this planter here also has Yetter self-adjusting or air-adjusting row cleaners on it, and that doesn't include the row cleaners on that price. Yeah.
Okay, and where is this currently available?
Any of your Kinze dealers. Any Kinze dealer has access to this product, which is great. We have a great dealer network all over the upper Midwest here, so anywhere you've got a Kinze dealer, and you can look for your Kinze dealer at Kinze.com, find a dealer locator, just punch in your zip code and you can find one.
So what are some of the new features for True Speed coming up in the future?
So for this next spring, we're really proud to offer on the 4905 and the 4705 the Yetter air adjust row cleaners on those two models. So we'll have those for spring 23 planting. So those customers that have already ordered those planters or have a dealer that has one coming, they'll be able to put those on those planters, and that'll all be adjusted through the Blue Vantage tablet. And then following that, we're going to be putting those and looking to put those on these 3665 planters and the 3505 in the future.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.